Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. So like I said before, I'm going to be doing my sidewalk strips. As you can see, after we got done doing the mulch bed, we are going to get the sidewalk strips nice and clean and tight so that once we put down that nitrogen and that iron on the lawn, that green pops and it's deep and dark. So we're going to be applying something by Turf Titan called Rust Recker, which they no longer produce this anymore. So if I have any alternatives to Rust Recker, I'll drop it down in the comments, or I'm sorry, the description box, and let you guys know what we are using for alternatives. Other than that, it's plain and simple. The only thing you have to do with this is put it in a pump sprayer or a sprayer in general, like the Ortho Dowling spray. You can put it in one of those and spray it. Now, they do suggest that you just hose it off with a regular hose, but what we're going to be doing here today is, once we spray this down, we're going to let it sit for about a minute or two, and what we're going to do is we're going to come right back over it with a pressure washer. The results that I got from last year from using this, I still got about a half a bottle left, because as you all can see, my sidewalk area isn't that big. So what we're going to do is, once we apply this to the small area that I have, we're going to come right over it with the pressure washer, and you guys are going to get such an amazing detail once you guys apply the Rust Recker and go over it with the pressure washer. So let's get this down with the pump sprayer, and we're going to go back over it with the pressure washer. I'm sorry about that. Lost my train of thought there. We're going to go back over it with the pressure washer, and I'm going to show you guys some before and after. So stay tuned for that and enjoy the video. Hey John, how's it going, man? I tried, man. This the only time I got to get it in, you know? So I got to do it on my day off. So my battery did die. I was so busy tied up in pressure washing the sidewalk and the sidewalk strips that I didn't even realize that my battery had died. So I'll kind of see what footage I have once I go over everything, but I'm officially done. So my neighbor Vinny and I just talked, and I have to put down some summertime protection. So him and I are going to link up, and he's going to cut his yard and our neighbor's yard, and then I'm going to mow my yard, and we're going to put down some foreplay for summertime protection. Once we put that down, we're going to let that sit for 4 hours. Then once we let it sit for 4 hours, we're going to come back and water it in, unless directions state otherwise. So stay tuned for the mow and the foreplay application, and I'll see you guys soon.